Hey guys, how is it going? It's your boy Gazza9919, and what we're going to be doing today is sorting out the rear inner brake lights. Now this is a common thing on both the E46 and the E39 of this generation of BMW, where the inner lights are made from a different plastic to the outer lights, and then you end up getting this sort of misty sort of result. So now we've already changed one of the rear lights from this to this, and as you can see, it's a lot better. But we're now faced with a problem where we've got one that looks really good and one that looks very run down and old. To conquer that, we're going to be changing the left side inner, and it should be matching and looking a lot nicer. Okay, so all you really need for this job is some pliers, some sort of flathead, or you can just not use any of these and just use a trim tool, and a 10mm. And all we're doing is just these little plastic rivets. We're just kind of popping them out. I'm doing it the budget way because I've always needed a trim tool, but I've never bought one, and I really should have. They should just pop out if you work them and get them in the right area. Okay, now we're at this stage. Now it looks a lot more complex than what it actually is. Literally all it is a 10mm bolt and a clip. So this clip here, you pull it towards you, this drops your bulbs down, and there's your 10mm. It's as simple as that. We just undo that 10mm. And if you haven't got a 10mm, then there is a 10mm provided in the BMW toolbox. Plastic bit comes out. And now all we need to do is just pop it up from the right hand side on the inside, and then push it to the side, and there you have your old inner light out. So let's just give it a quick wipe down and away we go. As a bit of a comparison, the new one, the old one, you can see how much of a difference it's going to make. It hooks around here where these hooks are, on here, and then pushes in like so. It's just a case of bolting it on from the rear. Now this little plastic bit pushes against a bit of the metal in the boot, and then obviously bolts onto here. So now you simply just clip in the lights. There we go. So a little cheat is just to push that little tab up and then it will clip on.